Today I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening Windows 11 problem. Let's start. First solution is to create a new shortcut. Before doing this, go to the search bar and open Task Manager. After opening Task Manager, type Chrome in the search bar. After doing this, if Chrome is running in the background, close Chrome. The next thing we need to do is right-click Chrome's shortcut and then click Open File Location. We have opened Chrome's file location. Now we click Chrome and then press F2. Here I will type Chrome new for the video, but you can type anything you want. After changing Chrome's name, press Enter to save the change. Click Continue to proceed. Right-click Chrome again and click Show More Options. After doing this, click Create Shortcut. Click Yes to continue and create the shortcut. We have created the shortcut. Now, you can delete the old shortcut and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, you can move on to the other solutions. To access the video, I will put it in the card section at the end screen of this video and in the description. This way, you can access other solutions and the video.